That doesn't sound good. Might need to undo what we just did. Today, a Polini Performance Camshaft. Well, it runs. It sounds different, which makes me nervous. The only other thing I could think of is I messed up the timing. I don't think I messed up the timing, but I could have messed up the timing. All right, so what happened? Dramatic loss in power. I just don't think this is the right camshaft. I'm gonna check the timing because there is a chance that I messed up the timing. From my rudimentary attempt at checking top dead center, my top dead center mark seems to be right on point. So it seems like I might have messed up the timing. It seems like I might be off by like 1 cog on the timing, which would definitely affect performance. I'm not positive though. I think I'm gonna adjust the timing by like 1 tooth. And maybe I'm just getting myself ready for disappointment, but I'm still nervous that it's not gonna be an improvement. Let's see. Oh, that sounds better right off the rip. That sounds way better. It's not struggling to idle. Oh, that's got me excited. Let's go take it out for a test ride.